What's going on, guys? Chicken in here with another video. If the lighting's a little weird, I'm sorry. Look what I got in the mail. My brother bought this for me. He ruined my other one. There it is. There is my new Zippo. It's a legit Zippo. If you don't believe me, oops, it might be upside down. Nope, it's right. It's a legit Zippo. So, this is a couple tricks I know. And my dad taught me this one. And you strike it on your leg. If you don't know what I did for the first one, all you're gonna do is make sure this, just a little up like that, and you're gonna grab it like this. Push up, push back, and then this will fling out. So like, it'll go. See how it keeps going like that? It's just gonna go. Okay, from my view, this is what it looks like from my view. That's what it looks like. You're trying to figure out, because it's kind of weird. This is what it looks like. That's all it is. You're just pushing back, and when that comes up, it's just gonna fling out, and you're just gonna drop it into your palm. For the second one, you're just gonna grab the Zippo like this, just like that, and you're just gonna squeeze. It's gonna fling open, which is kind of hard to do. There we go, got it. And then when you're ready, you can just strike it on your leg. Yeah, this was basically an unboxing and review of my new Zippo. It's a legit Zippo. If you don't believe me, I showed you. Hey, I have the box right here, Zippo. Zippo. So, it even says it right there. Zippo. Made in the U.S. Right there. If you can't tell, right along there. So, amazing quality. I gotta give it that. I got it for 14, or no, I got it for 15 bucks, and then I saw the original price tagged. Guess how much it is? 24 bucks. So I got a pretty good deal. Amazon, thank you so much. Shout out to Amazon. Yeah, sorry if my bed's a mess. It's a coat, blanket. Oh, there's my girl right there. So, I might actually hang this up on my wall besides the Zippo. Good night. But, I might hang this box up on my wall, or it will sit by my TV right here. So. But yeah, it's got my binder and stuff for homework and stuff, so I can't believe the quality of this thing. It's amazing. Like, you'd never believe. It's matte. It's a matte black, and it's got like a yellow biohazard. You can't see. I'm trying to make that the thumbnail. There. Good enough thumbnail. I don't know if that's going to be the thumbnail. I do not edit my videos. Like I said, I use my phone, not a camera. If I said camera in the past, it's a phone camera. So that's why the quality is so bad. But, new Zippo. I'm excited. Let me know in the description below if you own a Zippo or any type of Zippo. My mom and dad, when they were married, they used to have a knockoff one. It had like it was green, and I think it had a mushroom and a frog on it. If you can't see the smoke, it's the smoke from the flint. I'm actually going to show you with the lights off what it looks like. You won't be able to see anything. That's me. So, that was just me going, just like that. That's all I was doing. Actually kind of a little heated. But, fresh new insert. It's got that piece that latches this. Like I said, I need to fill it with butane. So, congratulations, Zippo. You should try them. I actually want to see if I can custom make one that says like it has the Black Ops 2 lines on it, like the 2 tallies from Black Ops 2. That would be awesome. Not bad. I'm actually gonna see a pillow that I don't use here, so I could drop it. Didn't even hear it hit, did you? It's because there's a pillow under me. And it's my trusty Mario pillow that I used to use. I got it for Christmas, I think 2 years ago. And it's not the best pillow, but it works good enough. Quality, amazing. Not much left to say about it. I mean, it's got some blood splatters. But, yeah, it's matte, so, I don't know why, but it has some divots right there. You probably can't see it, because of the light. There they are. See, there's one right there, and there. There's, like, divots. I don't know if you can see them, but there's one right there, and there. I don't know, that's how it came. Oh, I think I know what it's for. I think that bottom one, so that way it can actually grip. But I gotta go. Bye! So, if you want my content, like, subscribe, favorite, comment, that is it. Bye!